Put a finger down, goody two-shoes edition. Put a finger down if you've never been sent to the principal's office. Put a finger down if you've never gotten in a fight. Put a finger down if you are a teacher's pet. Put a finger down if you use divider tabs at free will. Put a finger down if you've never failed a class. Put a finger down if you always do the extra credit work even though you don't need it. Put a finger down if you've never shoplifted. Put a finger down if you weren't allowed to watch SpongeBob as a child. Put a finger down if you don't cuss. Put a finger down if you don't party on the weekends. Put a finger down if you never snuck out. Put a finger down if you are the mom of your group. Put a finger down if your friends have multiple times told you to live a little.